Look at all that tater tot goodness. What do you think of that? That looks good. I'm going to try a little cooking experiment today. I think I'm going to make a taco cheese dog tater tot bake. I'm not sure how much of each of these ingredients I'm going to use because I'm kind of playing this one by ear. We'll see as we go along. We've got a couple packages of hot dogs here. We've got 2 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. For some reason, they were selling 2 pounds of beef in hamburger patties for only $10. If I would have bought 2 pounds of just ground beef, it would have cost me almost $14. So we're gonna fry up those hamburger patties. It doesn't matter; they're all getting diced up anyways. We've also got some Mexican-style cheese, some mozzarella. We got a couple of bags of extra crispy tater tots. A red pepper, 3 jalapeno peppers, a white onion, some of my favorite taco seasoning. It's the Siete spicy taco seasoning. And we've got a jar of minced garlic. I think this is going to be really good. Let's see how it turns out. I just wanted to add, my inspiration for making this comes from a channel called Quick Bites with Tammy. She made a chili version of this, and I thought I'd try making a taco version. Check her channel out. I'll put a link to it in the video description. Alright, I used half of that white onion. We got it diced up. We got 3 diced jalapeno peppers, 1.5 12-ounce packages of hot dogs. They're Ambassador old-fashioned hot dogs with the casing. And then we got 1 large red pepper diced up. I've got my pan here preheating right now. We're going to start with the hamburger first. Alright, we've got that meat in our pan. We're going to brown that up. Once it gets all browned, we'll add 2 packages of Siete spicy taco seasoning and 2 cups of water to it. Alright, I blotted the grease out of the pan with the paper towel. I added my 2 packages of Siete spicy taco seasoning. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water. We're going to get that all combined up and cook it down to the consistency I want it. We got that all combined up and we're just going to let it cook down a little bit so it's thicker. Alright, our taco mixture is all done. I'm going to put it into that pot there just so I can mix everything up and start with the hot dogs next in the pan. Alright, I just threw my package and a half of hot dogs in there. Again, it's a little over 16 ounces of hot dogs, I think 18 ounces altogether. We're going to brown those up, and then as they start browning up, we're going to throw in our onions, jalapenos, and red peppers. I'll be back as we get there. Alright, you can see we're already starting to get some nice browning on these. The more browning you get on it, the more flavor it's going to have. I'm going to move these over here. And add my half an onion, my whole red pepper, and 3 jalapeno peppers. And then along with that, got a nice scoop of minced garlic. And we'll just start cooking these down until they start getting soft. I'll be back. Alright, we're starting to cook that until those vegetables are soft. I also hit it with a little SPG, salt, pepper, and garlic. We'll be back. Oh, look at that. That really looks good. And I think just putting this in a bowl and eating it like this would probably be pretty tasty, to be honest with you. Alright, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to combine it in that big pot with my meat. I'm going to add about a cup of cheese to it, mix it all together, and then we're going to dump it into this pan here after we grease it. Alright, I greased this pan with a stick of butter. This is our mixture here. We combined a cup of the Mexican cheese with that before we put it in the tray. And again, I like to mix it all together in a big pot because when I try to mix it in here, I always make a huge mess, and so it's just easier for me. We're now going to put a layer of mozzarella cheese on it. We'll just use the whole package. It's a whole 8-ounce package of mozzarella cheese. Alright, just a second here. Alright, we got a bag of extra crispy tater tots. You can use normal ones too. I just thought I'd try these. And we're going to spread a layer over the top here. You just want a single layer over the top here so all of it can get crispy. Alright, that looks pretty good, huh, Tam? Mm-hmm. I'm actually looking forward to trying this one. I think it's going to be pretty good. On top of the tater tots, I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt, pepper, and garlic. Just because. A little bit. We're going to pop that in our oven, which has been preheated to 400. And we're going to go about half hour or so. Take a look. Once the tater tots look crispy, we'll pull it out and then put a little layer of Mexican cheese on top and then brown it with that. We'll be back. Well, there we go. After about 40 minutes, it's a beautiful golden brown. Look at that. Now we're going to put a layer of Mexican style cheese on top. Alright, we're going to pop that back in the oven for another 5 minutes or so, we'll see. Once the cheese is melted and it's a little golden brown along the edges, we'll pull it out. We'll be back. Oh, look at that bad boy. Does that look good? Let's try a bite. I know it's hot, but I'm hungry. Alright, we're going to scoop up some. Oh, look at all that tater tot goodness. What do you think of that? That looks good. Let's give her a taste. Again, I know I'm going to burn myself, but I'm hungry and this looks so good. Get a little bit of everything on here. Oh, that is so good. I'm going to go in for a second one here. Oh, This is really good, Tammy. You're going to like this. Now, Tammy, for hers, will probably put some sour cream on it, you think?
Mm-hmm. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. I'll taste it first.
I'll probably throw a little salsa or some hot sauce on this also. I highly recommend this. Why don't you get a close-up here, Tam? It really came out good. I want to thank Cooks with Tammy for the idea. She made a chili dog version of this. I'll put a link to that in the video description. Again, if you're looking for something easy to make, the weather's getting a little cooler. This is the kind of food that I like to eat in cool weather. Give it a try. Let me know what you think of it. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.